Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create this light sweep effect in CapCut PC using transition. So first, go to media and select your photos or videos you like to edit. For example, so after done, you are just going to select transition, and then you can find light sweep 2, just add the track, test duration, apply to all the clips, and I'm just going to combine with effect. Select effect, select light effect 2, and select horizontal place to the track, but it is pro effect. The join properties to be able to use this effect and for the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.